Hi guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to hairstyles and also how I get my hair to look like this. I posted these on my Instagram and I had a few DMs asking me how I got my hair to look like that, what tools do I use, just wanting the details in general. So if you're not following my Instagram, make sure to go do that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. It helps me and my channel and I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you're new and let's get into the video. So I washed my hair yesterday and I just let it air dry. Most of the time I let my hair air dry just because it's a lot less damaging to your hair, and my hair is very thin, but I have a lot of it, so if I blow dry it, it just makes me look like I have absolutely no hair. So I do have the Revlon hairbrush blow dryer and I use that sometimes if I'm in a rush and I need to style my hair very quickly and I don't have time to let it air dry and style it. So I have used that a few times and I really like it so far. So I'll have that linked down below if you guys are interested. I really recommend it. I just don't tend to use it that much because I personally don't like my hair straight, but if I do use that, I'll brush out the ends and then curl the bottoms so that they curl like that, or you can also have it curl out and like do a little 60s go-go flip. I've seen those all over Pinterest. It's super cute. So this is my hair when it's air dried. It's definitely not pin straight. It does have a little bit of waves underneath. First hairstyle that I tend to go to a lot because I'm lazy and you don't actually have to style your hair when you do it, putting your hair in a hair clip. I have so many, so you guys can already tell I'm obsessed with doing my hair like this. It's so easy and cute and it just gives you that 90s vibe. I guess I can show you guys what clips I have. So I have two of the exact same ones, one in black, one in brown. They came in a pack. These ones I think are my favorite just because they are the perfect size and shape for my hair, because like I said, my hair is very thin, so anything bigger than this just looks kind of weird and doesn't really hold my hair properly. So as you can tell, I've had a lot of trial and error with hair clips, but these ones are my favorite. I do live in Canada, so I got these at Shoppers Drug Mart, so you guys should be able to find them there. I will try to link them down below. I don't know if Shoppers even has a website. I have two really big ones. These ones are good if your hair is curled and you want it to be super loose. Pretty sure these are both, again, from Shoppers. Like, guys, these are literally the size of my head, so they're a little bit too big. I think these are my friends too. And then I have this guy. I actually have this in brown as well, but I think I lost that one. It's pretty much the same size as this hair clip, but the shapes are completely different. And then I have another pack of black and brown. These ones were my first pair. They were okay, but honestly I wasn't really a fan of the design in it. It's pretty much the same shape as these ones. These two styles are probably my two favorites just because they're the perfect size and I like the curled shape. And then lastly, I just have a little hair clip. This one I just use for half up hairstyles. So I'll just walk you guys through how I do my half up. Everybody has their own specific way to do it, and honestly it does look a lot better when you have short hair. My hair is on the longer side, so it is kind of hard to get it in the right position, but this is what I have found that works the best on my hair. I just part it in the middle, or wherever you part your hair works the best, and then I bring my little pieces here. If you guys don't have these little face framing bangs and you're thinking about it, just do it. They're so nice and they complement the face so well, especially if you like to wear your hair up a lot. I'm gonna use my favorite hair clip, and what I do is I gather my hair in the bottom in a ponytail. If you do have really thick hair, I've seen some people, they put their hair in an actual elastic before, but I don't do that because my hair is very thin. So I just grab it at the bottom and all you do is twist it. And then like I said, if your hair is shorter, it works a lot better because you just pull it up like this and then you clip it at the top. So if you have short hair, this portion of hair that comes out of the top is a lot shorter and it looks really weird with my long hair. So if you have short hair, I would do it like this, but I don't have short hair, so what I do is I twist it and then I actually twist it another time. If you guys can see, I just kind of bring it down and then twist it back up, and then you have the little pieces coming out at the top. You can pull it out a bit, adjust it. Personally, I think the looser and messier it is, the better it looks. Very simple, and you don't even have to style your hair. This is probably my most worn hairstyle ever. Also, way less damaging for your hair to have it in a clip than to be constantly putting it in a ponytail or scrunchie. And then another hairstyle that I do with the clip is pull the pieces out, the top portion of your hair, and do a half up. I like mine to be really messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you pull it as high as you like, and then I'm gonna take the little clip and clip it. And there you go. You got your little half up, half down. This one looks really nice if your hair is all curled and you still want to get it out of your face. The next hairstyle I do a lot includes a headband. It's literally so simple and it looks so cute. Pull out the two pieces. You don't have to do this, but I think it looks the best. So normally in the past, I would leave it over my ears like this, but I did get my cartilage pierced a month ago and it still is pretty tender, so I have to pull it out a lot. That's why I haven't been wearing this this style as much, because it tends to irritate my ear a lot. Totally 90s vibes, and I am all for it. The next hairstyle I do a lot is the half up, half down. So I actually did my hair like this in my previous video and I really like it, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did. It's so simple and I think it's so cute, but you're just gonna want to gather whatever amount of hair you want to use for this. I don't have that much hair, so I don't like to grab too much. I like mine to be pretty messy. I'm just gonna take this white scrunchie and tie it up. I think it's so freaking cute and youthful. And then I also do this when I have my hair in my beach waves, but I'm gonna show you guys after I curl my hair. Now moving on to the part you guys all care about, how I get my hair in the beach waves. I've been wanting the mermaid curler for the longest time, but it's like $90. I'm not paying that for a styling tool. So I found a dupe for it on Amazon. It was $40. It works so good, and it's literally the exact same as the mermaid curler name brand. Just be careful when you use this though. I burnt myself the other day using it and now my skin is pink, so just be careful because these barrels are very big and very hot. This is what it looks like up close. It has buttons on it to turn it on and off and to adjust the temperature. I keep mine on 200 just because I find that's what works best with my hair. I like to do it in sections, so what I do is I just pull up the top half of my hair and clip it out of the way, and I just spray my hair with a heat protectant. I just have this Kenneth Bernard thermal protection spray. So I like to take really tiny sections, and as you can see it has a clamp here, so this is what it's doing to your hair. So I like to start mine pretty close to the top, and then I hold it for about 20 seconds and then I move down. There you have it, kids. Look how cute that is, and I just put you guys on. It is pretty time consuming if you want it to look really good, but in my opinion it's so worth it. Put you guys on a time lapse so you can kind of see what I'm doing, but I promise you guys I'm not a hair god and this is super easy, so you guys will be fine. I can't just call you when the moon is rising. I'm craving every moment with you. I can't just need you when the tides are turning. I cherish every second with you. I've got to hold on to your heart every day of the week, every week of the year. I've got to rewind and restart till you get what you need, till you get all of me. Yeah, you get all of me, baby, I give you all of me. Please take what you want from me. Ooh, yeah, you get all of me, baby, I give you all of me. Please take what you want from me. All of me. So there's the bottom layer. You can see how fun, bouncy, beachy, and cute it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the top layer and I will come back to you guys with the final look. This is what my hair looks like when it's completely done. I kid you not, I'm so obsessed with this. It's like crimped hair but better. Basically what I do is I just brush my hair through it after, just to kind of blend everything in. For some reason this side always turns out better than this side, but I feel like we all have that when curling or styling one side of our hair. So this is how I get my hair to look like these Instagram photos that are on my profile. I will have this exact one linked down below. You guys need to go get it. I promise you, you won't be disappointed, especially if you're a ride or die curled hair over straight hair girl. You definitely need to do this just to switch up the style once in a while. For texturizing spray, I only use this sometimes, but I'm gonna add it in my hair today just because it kind of acts as a setting spray, because I find texturizing / wave spray to be pretty sticky. So I just have this one from The Way. I got it from Sephora. Just hold it really far away and just mist your hair with it, crush it up. You can either wear your hair down like this, because obviously it looks amazing. My favorite hairstyle to do in this is either the half up, half down with the clip, just because it makes your hair look very big and voluminous, or to do the half up, half down with the scrunchie. Like, are you kidding me? I literally look like I'm in the 80s. All right guys, so that is how I get my hair in these beachy mermaid curls, and my favorite hairstyles I like to do on an everyday basis. Hopefully you guys found a new hairstyle or a new tool that you have been dreaming about. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, because it really helps me and my channel, and I appreciate your engagement. I love chatting with you guys in the comments, so literally comment anything. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.